Hey guys, hope you're doing well. It's Tanya here, and I'm excited today, and I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I just got back from my monthly Sam's run, and so I got some things I'm adding to my prepper's pantry. And so I just want to show you some of the dry goods and the shelf stable items that I got from Sam's this time. And I just want to encourage all of you guys, all of my taste makers to, do some type of preparedness, and because I just, it just can never hurt. I'm optimistic. I know there's a lot of negative things going on, a lot of things to be fearful about, but taking it from someone I've been through things, and being prepared got me out of those things. It can just be the smallest things. I've narrowly escaped rioting. I've been in ice storms. I've been in power outages. I've had to flee, attackers. And I was in the military, and my unit, I was in a supply unit, and we supplied everything from paper clips to tanks. And I dealt with the freeze-dried foods and the MREs, and I haven't eaten those since I left the military, but it is very important to always have some extra food stored away somehow. If you're going to count on someone else coming to rescue you, you just, you can prepare, you can protect yourself to a lot. You can do a lot to protect yourself and to be self-sufficient and self-reliant. So, if you want to see a few things that I got to add to my prepper's pantry, stay tuned. Okay, guys, again, I want to thank you guys so much for your support. And if you get any value out of this video, I welcome you to tap that like button. And you can make any comments if you have any suggestions on things I should have in my pantry. I appreciate that. And hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you'll be notified of any new content that I upload. Okay, so we're going to get into the video, get into the haul. Okay, here are most of the things that I got from Sam's. These chicken ramen, and it's 48 in a pack, and I think these were like $6. I don't think any particular package cost more than like $6, except for the nuts. So I got two of these, 48 in a pack, and then I got a pack from Dollar Tree, so that made over 100. So just at least I can have one a day, and when stuff hits the fan, you can at least have something every day. Then I got my pecan halves. These are shelf stable. You can put these in the freezer I put them in there for a year and a half. Okay, these were like $13. This is probably the most expensive items that I purchased. And you get 12 cans of Campbell's soup. I think these might have been like $6.50 for 12 cans. And then I got 3. You get 6 in a pack here of this chicken breast. And the dates on all of these things, I wanted to make sure you check the dates. These are like for 2023. So when I put these in my pantry, any of this stuff in my pantry, I really don't have to touch. As long as, the world's going okay, everything's all right, I can have this just in my pantry, and I really don't have to touch it until next year or 2 years from now. So I got 3 of those. I like hot sauce. And the reason I like Sam's Club so much, well, first of all, I've been a Sam's Club member for over 30 years. And as a small business owner, they've been invaluable to me. And I have a cleaning concierge business, so I get my cleaning supplies there. When I was the event planner and caterer, I would get, plates and just get everything there. So they've always come through for me, and the prices have been great. And they're not sponsoring me at all. Everything that I buy, I pay for. No one's sponsoring me. I'm not affiliated with anybody. So when I tell you something, it's because I've approved it. Okay, so then I got this box of spaghetti, and you get six 1-pound packages in here, and they're individually wrapped, and all of this was under $5, so just like probably 92 cents per container. Same thing with the elbow macaroni. Got these elbows. These are all Members Mark. And then I'm going to go back and get some penne, because I like penne. I like to make especially since I have all this chicken here, this chicken breast, I like to make this chicken penne bake. Okay, and then you got 6 things of olives. So I try to get a combination of things that, and when stuff hits the fan, you just need a can and a spoon or a fork, and just have at it. I just want stuff I can just eat right out the can. And then hopefully, if, everybody behaves, we just have extra food. If not, and then I got some homemade chili. You need some type of meat product just in case, meat's being scarce. And they're saying, the meat is going to be scarce, and that we may be able to escape through this year, maybe next year, but in a couple of years, they're saying that the food supply is going to be really, really low. So, hopefully, I'm going to prepare. I'm not going to get scared. We're going to just prepare and hope for the best. And then God's going to have to come in, because the devil is busy. I'm going to have to let God come in and straighten it all out. Hopefully, we can do it as, just as human beings. And I got 2 cases of Pinto Beans, 6 cans. All this was like under $5. I can't find my receipt, and I just kind of stuff things down in my purse when I get done, because going to the store nowadays is crazy. There's a lot of people, they're approaching you. And that's one reason why I'm prepping too, because I don't want to keep going to the store. You have to dodge creeps. And I know a lot of people are hurting, and if they see someone that they think has something, they're going to approach them. And if I was in that situation too, if I didn't have anything, if I was struggling, I see someone that has something, I'm going to go to them. So I'm having to dodge all of that, and I'm shopping alone. So the most I can stay out, and a couple of ladies I know, they got, robbed at gunpoint at the store. So I'm just trying to stay out, trying to dodge corona, crooks, and creeps. And so that's why I'm just trying to stock up. Got green beans. And I'm a low carb person. I'm trying to watch my blood sugar, but when stuff hits the fan, I'm going to eat to survive. Just have to exercise. If stuff hits the fan, you're probably active anyway. So you burn off all those carbs. So that's what I'm about. Okay, then I got this 6-pack of chicken stock, chicken broth. Got 2 packs of this. Oh, I didn't notice that. Now this is the, I have to hurry up and use these. These are not good. These are good until next year, 2021. November 2021. Everything else is 2023. So make sure you check those, check the expiration dates. Then I got salsa. I got 2 separate things of salsa. And then I got, what is this? Got Prego spaghetti sauce. I got all this pasta, and I got the one with meat in it, because in an emergency situation I need all the protein that I may be able to get. So just wanted to, and normally I don't get the one with meat, but this time, this is all convenience food, shelf stable food. And then, well, it's getting hot in here. I'm kind of sweating. And then I just got this 12-pack can of tomato paste. Okay, guys, thanks for coming back. I just loaded up or stocked up one of my Prepper's Pantry. I have another one where I have a lot of soup, and what I do need, I need to get some more corn. I want to get some black beans, and I want to get some more canned fruit. So I think this month I'll go to Walmart and just try to wrap it up. But I really like going to Sam's because I like, having loose cans for some reason just seems to take up more space. But the way, you get stuff packaged in wholesale clubs, it just makes it easier to stack. So that's why I like to go there. And I've been nickel and diming my preps for the last 4 months, and so I'm tired of nickel and diming it. I just went on and invested some extra money and just got this. All right, everybody, so be safe out there, and let's be optimistic, and let's just plan and have a great day. All right, so thank you guys so much. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload any new content. Thank you, guys. Bye.